Hey, guess what? I think you just got some moose mail delivered. We'll have to see. I see something right there. Oh my goodness. Are you gonna help bring it in? Okay, you bring it in. Would you like Mom to help? Yes, please. Where's Moose? Where's Moose? Moose! Show me. Oh my goodness. What? Those are huge moose hakes. Do you want to pick one? Can you get your big old schnozzle in there? What is that? What did you think about it? What would you say? You like crunchy treats. Was it a 10 out of 10? Was it 10 out of 10? You like crunchy treats like that. Very good. Yes. Holy smokes! That one's even bigger. Okay, just for reference, look at how big these are. Oh. Okay.